Jamin Mayer, Parker Tree Service. We're getting close to the end of October. I just wanted to talk about a quick discussion about Cytospora canker. And to those of you who see this tree, this is a maple, silver maple. And you can see the chlorotic leaves there, meaning it's not able to produce its own chlorophyll a whole lot. That's another issue this tree has. That's due to our soil alkalinity binding up available nutrients that are responsible for producing chlorophyll in trees. Anyway, the next subject I wanted to cover is Cytospora canker in trees. Cytospora canker is a known airborne fungal problem that we have, and it's typically in poplar trees. Aspen, cottonwood are really common. You can kind of see those little black dots on that branch there. I'd like to use my left hand, but my left hand is propping this branch down or holding it down. Anyway, and then you can see a little bit of that bark separation. That would be kind of the bark forming a canker right there, that spot, or a canker forming. And there's another example right here to the left. That would be a canker. This caught my attention as I noticed, and I couldn't help but notice, this is a low branch with tip dieback. At first I thought, oh, the tip dieback was responsible or caused from the chlorosis that we see within the tree. As in, I thought the vascular system is so compromised, this whole tip is dying. And to confirm my thoughts, typically, or this is a tip for myself or anybody, listen. So that's completely dead and dry on the inside and it's brown. So I was hoping these twigs would actually be pliable and green, meaning there's some vitality here, but there's not. So then I looked across along the stem and I could see that first cankerous site, and then I went over there. And in that case, I'm going to see if I can reach that better. There. Yeah, that's a little better. With my thumb I can feel the little black dots. And I can see the little black dots good with my eyes. What would have been there likely earlier this summer would be the fruiting body of that fungus, which is called, they're called tendrils. They would have been orange in color. They can flake off or just fall off or just blow away through the wind. See if I'm lucky to find some tendrils on here. Usually I'm not. Anyway, it's not a common problem for maple, but in this case, this does have it. It's not going to fully outright kill the tree, but it's another stressor to the tree, so that would be a biotic stressor. Well, we're talking about the chlorosis at the beginning of this video. That would be an abiotic stressor. Sorry, I got an airplane up above. And that abiotic stress with a fungal disease, well, that's two things, right? There's other stressors out there for this tree, but these are two observable stressors for myself for this tree. And then we'll try to do the best we can with certain prescriptions of how to help this tree.